गूगल, एक नाम जो हर टेक स्टूडेंट का ड्रीम होता है. एंड दिस समर आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंटर्न एट गूगल क्लाउड. But was it easy? Definitely not. Rejections, preparation, interview struggles, सब कुछ था. And today, in this video, I want to tell you how I cracked Google internship, how was my experience there, and through this video, I want to motivate you and guide you that if I can do it, you can do it too. So let's start with my introduction. But first, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Hello everyone. So I hope you like the clips of my internship journey that I posted, and I hope you're excited to know my journey, my experience, and how you can get a chance to intern at Google, right? So let's start by introducing myself. My name is Aanchal Jain, and I am currently in the last semester of my engineering, and I'm from the LNM Institute of Information Technology, Jaipur. And yes, I was an software engineering intern at Google. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to tell what kind of videos you can expect on my channel. So stay tuned and make sure you watch the complete video. So yeah, talking about my internship journey. So I first applied for Google's STEP internship program that is meant for second year students. So I applied, but unfortunately my resume didn't get selected. And for STEP internship, मैंने referral के साथ apply किया था. I took a referral from one of my seniors, and but my resume didn't get selected, and I got disappointed. But I decided कि I would not stop, and let's do more hard work, and then we can make our way into Google. सो आई रिमेंबर सेकेंड ईयर के बाद जो समर वेकेशंस होती हैं उसमें आई फोकस्ड एंटायरली ऑन DSA एंड मेकिंग अ गुड प्रोजेक्ट फॉर माई रेज्यूमे. एंड उस टाइम समर वेकेशंस में ही गूगल ने ओपनिंग निकाली थी ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इंटर्न. So I applied through Google career site, and yeah, so I was practicing. I was not hoping anything because step में मुझे already rejection मिल चुका था, and this time मैंने बिना referral के apply किया था. But fortunately, I got a mail. I remember it was Raksha Bandhan का दिन, and I got a mail that my resume has got shortlisted. And soon on that day itself, I remember we were celebrating Rakhi. I was with my family, and I got a call from my recruiter. एंड आई जस्ट वेंट इन साइड अ रूम. मैंने कुछ प्रिपेयर भी नहीं कर रखा था बिकॉज इतना टाइम ही नहीं था मेरे पास. तो मुझे रिक्रूटर का कॉल आया, एंड इट वाज एन ऑन कॉल इंटरव्यू. सो उन्होंने मेरा नाम, मेरी CGPA, मेरा कॉलेज पूछा. बेसिकली मेरे रेज्यूमे के थ्रू उन्होंने मुझसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे. एंड शी आस्क्ड मी अबाउट माई प्रोजेक्ट्स कि मैंने क्या क्या टेक स्टैक यूज़ करके प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं, एंड माई कोडिंग जर्नी. And after this, she told me that there will be 2 interview rounds that will be scheduled for you. I was like, okay. And next day when I went to college, I started preparing for the interview. I started giving mock interviews and preparing like DSA questions and everything. My introduction, how will I speak, and everything. And then my first interview got scheduled. I was a bit nervous, obviously. I locked my room 5 minutes before the interview. I took deep breath and then went into my interview. And the interviewer started by telling his name. I thought there would be some introduction and something, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. He directly started with the first question. So the interview duration was of 45 minutes, and इस 45 minutes में हमें 2 questions solve करने होते हैं. Depending on the interviewer and the time, they might ask a third question, but उसके chances थोड़े कम होते हैं. Majorly 2 questions ही होते हैं. So I got my first question. I thought for 2 minutes. I had a pen and paper ready with me. So I was noting down the question, and I thought of a brute force approach. And then interview mein, it is very necessary that whatever you think, you communicate it with the interviewer. So obviously 2 minutes मैंने खुद से सोचा, and then I start communicating my approach to the interviewer. Communication इसीलिए important है because it will tell the interviewer that तुम किस direction में सोच रहे हो, so that they can also tell you कि whether you are going in the right direction or wrong. They will basically guide you. So I start communicating my approach, and first I told him the brute force approach. Then obviously he told me that can we do better? Can you think of a better approach? Less time complexity, less space complexity. So then I again thought for a minute or so, and then I communicated my optimal approach. And once he was satisfied by my approach, उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि start writing the code. And for preparing for Google interview, I would say that जहाँ पे हमें कोड लिखना होता है ना, it's not a code editor. प्रैक्टिस करते करते हमें कोड एडिटर्स की आदत हो जाती है, ऑटो इंडेंटेशन की आदत हो जाती है, बट वहाँ पे जो इंटरफेस होता है वो गूगल डॉक्स की जैसे होता है. सो इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गूगल इंटरव्यू, यू शुड प्रिपेयर बाय राइटिंग योर कोड इन दी गूगल डॉक्स इटसेल्फ. उसमें लिखकर हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज उसमें इंडेंटेशन वगैरह नहीं होता है. तो इन माई माइंड इट वॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली देयर कि आंचल यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द इंडेंटेशन एज वेल, and you don't have to make any syntax errors, right? So I was focusing on writing my code, and while I'm writing, I'm also communicating it to my interviewer that now I'm creating a map, now I'm initializing an array, whatever I was doing, I was communicating to them. And after I completed my code, सो जो इंटरव्यूअर होता है वो आपका कोड एक कंपाइलर पे रन करके देखता है कि कोई सिंटेक्स एरर्स तो नहीं आ रही हैं. एंड इफ़ देर आर सम एरर्स दे विल टेल यू कि आपके कोड में कुछ एरर है, कैन यू सी एंड करेक्ट इट. तो मेरे साथ भी एक बार ऐसा हुआ था. तो ही टोल्ड मी दैट देर इज़ सम एरर, कैन यू लुक एट योर कोड. सो मैंने अपने कोड को पूरा देखा, एंड आई फाउंड सेमीकोलन वॉज मिसिंग. सो आई जस्ट अप्लाइड इट, एंड देन इट वॉज गुड टू गो. देन उन्होंने कोड रिलेटेड कुछ और क्वेश्चंस पूछे कि दैट वाई आर यू यूजिंग दिस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर पर्टिकुलरली, वाई नॉट सम अदर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, राइट? I answered all of those questions, and at the end he asked me to write the space complexity and time complexity on the doc itself. So I did that. And when the first question was done completely, उन्होंने मुझे second question दिया which was related to the first one itself. And then again I thought like it was a similar process. मैंने फिर से 2 मिनट के लिए सोचा, and then I start communicating my approach, and then code वगैरह हुआ, and both the questions I did. So I was pretty satisfied by my interview, and the interviewer looked happy too. And one more important thing I did was कि at the end of interview they ask कि do you have any questions. So मैंने वो question already prepare करके रखा था. Before my interview मैंने Google जिस चीज़ पे अभी currently काम कर रहा है वो सारे articles पढ़े, and उनमें से मैंने कुछ questions बनाए, and then I asked it at the end of my interview. And asking this question can be good because it creates an impression that yes, you have read about the company, you know what the company is currently working on. So it creates a positive impact, that's it. And then my first interview ended, and I was pretty satisfied क्योंकि मैंने दोनों questions कर दिए थे, but nervous at the same time कि result क्या होगा. And then I remember for the first interview on the same day, like मेरा interview दिन में था, and around 10-11 PM I got a mail that you have been shortlisted for the second interview round. And फिर मेरा second interview schedule किया गया, and it was a similar interview, but इस time interviewer थोड़ा ज़्यादा friendly था. Like he asked me about my introduction and college, and then started with the 2 coding questions. राइट. एंड इस सेकेंड इंटरव्यू में आई रिमेंबर जो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन मुझे दिया गया था, आई गॉट नर्वस. लाइक एकदम से फर्स्ट थॉट में मेरे दिमाग में कोई अप्रोच नहीं आ रही थी, बट आई टुक अ डीप ब्रेथ, एंड मैं इंटरव्यू को नहीं दिखा सकती हूँ कि आई एम गेटिंग नर्वस, राइट? सो लाइक I had my pen and paper ready, so I started noting it down and doing a dry run, and then suddenly I got the approach, and then I communicated the same to him. And this second interview होने के बाद it took almost 3 weeks to get the final result. And I remember it was 27th September, and I got a call from my recruiter that I have been selected for the internship program, and that was the best day of my life. I got so happy. पैसा ही पैसा होगा. I was at my hostel at that time, and I ran to the corridor and told all my friends कि I have got shortlisted, and then I called my family, and everyone was so happy. So this was my applying journey, like how did I apply for it and how did I got selected, my interview experience. So now I'm going to share life at Google and my internship experience. So when I first went to the Google office, it just felt surreal. Matlab, the Google campus, the food, the working culture, everything was next level. And starting के 2 to 3 days, I couldn't believe कि मैं कहाँ आ गई हूँ. Like this is the place where I'm working. So yeah, that was so nice. And the kind of mentorship that I got, it helped me to learn and grow every day. Like I have learned something new every single day. I'm not just talking about the technical skills, but also like the communication skills or the soft skills. So yeah, I learned something new every day. And work culture se zyada, I was surprised to look at the cafeterias or the micro kitchens. It was just amazing. Like सबने सुन रखा है गूगल का खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है, but it can't be explained in words. You just have to think of a thing, and I bet you can find it in the cafeteria or the micro kitchen. So that was also an amazing part. Now, my internship duration was of 10 weeks. And in the first week, I basically had to do and complete some training stuff like security training and code of conduct and everything. And on the first day itself, I got connected to my mentors, my host and co-host, who told me about the team and what they are currently working on. They shared some docs for me to read and understand, and they told me that my project is going to be in Golang. So if I don't have any prior experience, I should start learning Golang. So first week में मैंने यही सब किया था, like learning things. And in the second week I got introduced to my project कि मुझे करना क्या है, मेरा काम क्या होगा. And then I started working on it. My mentors were amazing, my team was also good, and all the people there were ready to help whenever I used to get stuck at something. Like someone was there to help me. And like one thing that I liked was कि nothing was spoon fed. Like मुझे सीधा सीधा नहीं बता दिया गया था कि प्रोजेक्ट में आपको ये अप्रोच यूज़ करनी है ताकि इट वुड बी बेटर. दे ऑलवेज गाइडेड मी. लाइक इफ़ वी हैव टू डिसाइड एट सम पॉइंट कि हम यहाँ पे कौन सी चीज़ यूज़ करें, तो ऐसा नहीं कि कोई आया और मुझे बता दिया कि ये कर लो बिकॉज दिस इज़ गुड. They always asked me to explore new things and prepare a doc of pros and cons of multiple approaches, and then we used to discuss which one is the best. तो इससे मुझे अपनी प्रोजेक्ट की एक ओनरशिप लेने का मौका मिला. एंड आई लर्न टू राइट इंडस्ट्री लेवल कोड. एंड यू नो whenever we write a production level code and code for our personal projects, it's very different. So I learned that. So this internship was the best time of my life. And yeah, now talking about what I will be posting on my YouTube channel. So I have decided that I want to help people so that they can also get an amazing opportunity like the one I got. So I've decided that I'll make more videos like how did my resume look like, how did I converted my internship to get a full-time offer at Google, and I would teach some amazing and cool technology stuff. And I would also invite my friends who are working at other companies so that they can also share their interview experiences and you can learn from them. So yes, if you liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe karna mat bhulna. And do let me in the comment which is your dream company, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Thank you. Bye.